In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to Notion. By the end, you'll feel confident composing and sending a message right from your Notion workspace using Notion Mail. This is helpful if you want your communication and notes in one place, so you can stay focused without jumping between tools. Start by opening Notion and heading into Notion Mail. You'll typically find it in the sidebar and it opens to your inbox. If you're new to this view, think of it like a familiar email client, but inside Notion. Give yourself a moment to let the inbox load so all your folders and messages display correctly. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click the Compose button to start a new message. This opens a clean draft window. It's the same place you'll build everything for your email, and it keeps the flow simple from top to bottom. In the To field, add your recipient. You can type or paste a full email address, and if your workspace supports it, you may see suggestions as you type. Take a second to double check spelling here. Small typos can send your message to the wrong place. If you're emailing more than one person, separate addresses clearly so each recipient is recognized. Next, add a subject. Keep it short, specific, and helpful. A good subject makes your message easier to find later and sets expectations for the reader. For example, include a key topic or date so it's instantly clear what your email covers. Avoid leaving the subject blank. It's easy to skip past emails without one. Now, move to the body of your email and write your message. Start with a brief greeting, state your purpose in a sentence or two, and then provide the essential details. Break long thoughts into short paragraphs so your email is easy to scan. Before you finish, add a clear next step or ask a direct question if you need a response. A quick proofread for clarity, tone, and typos goes a long way. When everything looks good, click send. If you get a prompt or notice, just confirm. Your message will go out immediately and appear in your sent mail so you can reference it later. If you ever need to follow up, you can do it from the same Notion Mail view to keep the entire conversation within your workspace. That's it. Open Notion Mail, compose, add your recipient, write a clear subject, craft your message, and send. With a little practice, this becomes a fast, reliable part of your workflow.